Etuko Ghana Parliament in Chinua should be a cost of the end, and in Afa as someone Obi can yes say. Sit down. Sit down, you daughter of a murderer. I have seen it. Ye who never crop Parliament ever thought say in a part of Parliament in Unachi. Omo who a nibia who never cry or can you daughter of a murderer sit down. Now in this particular video, no, you better assemble crowd no more can into a co-lead you daughter of a murderer such a statement for Zenator Rawlings. I have you Penyah block me. I message her. Say obey like video now, obey subscribe button, and click the notification icon. Now better why doing Eddie Amame ever comment section. Eddie assembly over the week ni mo dear Parliament. Any Ghana na aye he ni nyina fa assembly obi kan say you sit down daughter of a murderer. I now refer to Zenator Rawlings. That's how the whole situation started. Now omo kai are past leaders, the big six to be precise. The big six, anybody who falls within the camp of the big six, JB Dankwa, Buzi Amon, some of not they were eulogizing them. They say ye prezi womu, ye show money monyam, and ye mo metromans omuye. Now Parliament, she omani monyam to bo be a dear. Now you know, ya prisoner, ya can't honey maka crania prisoner. Drew JB Dankwa so. Anna MP for Tamale Central, Honorable Mutala, Eka Assembly for JB Dankwa.
Espouse your points and I espouse my points. Leave that to the judgment of the people of this country. I am quoting Martin Meredith's book of the State of Africa. He described J.B. Dankwa as one of CIA agents who was paid to betray his country. These are not my words. These are not my words. Mr. Speaker, I have a copy. Of that book in my office. No way. He played no role in the building of a Kotomba Dam. Don't attribute something to him. And Mr. Speaker, he also said that J.B. Dankwa died a horrible death. And Abuja, as a matter of fact, the NLC constituted a committee to investigate the circumstance under which J.B. Dankwa died.
Honorable member, conclude.
He died in natural death.
Honorable member, conclude.
Speaker.
Honorable member,
to die. Member of Parliament.
Honorable member,
who put
honorable member,
the motion in it. Put it what?
Honorable member,
motion. Put it down. He's
honorable member.
What you say? And penny for say obi who are young can chasembone. But Mutala, instead of Mutala praising JB Dankwa, he was actually trying to come out with any one never be crazy. Instead of praising him, now or the JB Dankwa near maybe a uncle ye and or deba parliament. But Obia so on in Nanso. Nanso will be a and over video near. Now honorable Mutala Eguso or Casano. Nothing said Parliament had not almost person who tried that seven so and now people were turning off his microphone. But almost turning it off, you see Zenator Rawlings no turning it on. Just a Mutala on Gusun Casa on fire. Mutala Gusun fire JB Dankwa. And that was what happened. And you could barely see in the video say Omutane it did not Parliament crap say Mutala it can't not seven or canaso. It did not they were turning off the microphone for Mutala. But almost turning microphone off. Now Zenator Rawlings are turning it on. Just on goes on fire JB Dankwa. Instead of praising him, no, on fire JB Dankwa. And no Anna Omo etime solve that issue new year. Anna afenyamake esoro na okasa. Ti afenyamake kasa achase. Eno tire mu se, moma ye ntena ha na ye mo ye past leaders dini na ye nka ne mabone emfo mu ho enye fe.
Is not to generate debate. I would want to remind the House that these are national heroes. Some are on our side, some are on their side. So let us be mindful how we react when it's our turn. Obviously, there will come a time that a statement will be made in honor of the hard work of former President Nkrumah, Liman, Jerry Rawlings, Professor Mills, and all. Let us, Mr. Speaker, let us focus on their contribution.
After one criteria, say maybe who knows, a time may come, Krana. See a trade Ghana back was someone. Ebi cry the JJ Rawlings cry di beba be shame. Nanya born about to be say or concorde Emma Ghana go after all. Rawlings and the district assemblies by local government on the buyer. On the side democracy, he came as an autocratic leader, but all the corner Oja democracy can be mamin can be. A time your marking a trim say, Obi wua, young creatures and bonnet. And in the name of your tia ye muma ye. Na ebi kwa time will come as a trade Ghana back was someone. Ebi kwa de JJ Rawlings kwa di be shemubi. And the moon here say and then a better hana or more matrim ye room at least. Omu nyanya crowd you more near ma kum you and sebia a ye, the fine kai womb. Ogutu kasana nanka Zenator Rawlings epese or sorry ebe can be. Ogutu kasana nanka Zenator Rawlings epese or sorry ebe can be. Emu ana statement APA free. Minority side on the says sit down, you daughter of a murderer.
Daughter of murderer, sit down. Daughter of murderer, sit down.
It's me.
That's evidence. On Sunday, Papa Kunipa.
Nese omu patre se JJ Rawlings about Zenator Rawlings na owo parliament no. Ontena se na oye daughter of a murderer. There's a ne papa reading. What does it? And nipa crop passed the kind of statement to me childish. That person shouldn't have passed that particular state regardless of the situation. Say JJ kum nipa say obey a day regardless. Enye childish because enye nice. Eba sarabema obema Zenator Rawlings obe feel some way be enye fe. But what Murtala was doing was also childish. Fire because Murtala kaya past leaders praise woman. Then na hona be yimu na JB Dankwana, he was a traitor, he was then and he was then there. Enye fair. Ghana is about time I yentimi kind of grandchildren and penny for. Enye uye penny or be no 100% right. But kai will be even say we didn't ikura na years ni tributaries we kaya. Yabebo was what tiasa is not or your for he was an angel on earth. But many pennies are calling a crumb for, but the tributaries on got as I could not over near my da, ye be can and no be I know better much apartment or moment as I say, Obi wa yank just some bonnet. But Murtala Beke can send for JB Dankwan was you say JB Dankwana, he was useless while Mayor or Ghana Haki can't send baby. What I say, and you're nice. And you're nice. I think it's because of anger. Anybody back can you say that daughter of a murderer already that concern because as not they felt said and this for no tarnish omo idol JB Dankwasi MPP. It does acquire this political fight. So and kwasi politics na they be a taken higher no. I did be a politics because nipa we onye me party member there. Any who be anya me fe. So and never phone I got her time me nyai. Be a politics. Nipa no leader will twem. Come from na yonko oyefunu nipa we samai. Just come from a twem. Simple. O come from no enko fa hwema. Come from no one Murtala so na then nipa we traitor na we then when that doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Any nipa no we twem wo wuko. Come from no e ho na one then and David Dankwa na we traitor and he sold Ghana and he betrayed Ghana and I didn't. It doesn't make sense. Nyanse bia nyanse bi mu. Aso Murtala kan nyanse bia ni. Nyanse ba kugura se ni. And asemwa minority response can say, sit down, you daughter of a murderer. It doesn't make sense. Mugu parliament house, a movie and crown crazy. That is a much parliament house. Movie of the cage for. As we are anyway, as any say, I don't mean the two of them, it doesn't make sense. As someone Murtala can for David Crown, it doesn't make sense. As someone that sit down, you daughter of a murderer, it doesn't make sense. Nyanse be any. Obet much in the comment section.